Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. Today we are going to make pom-poms, and this is going to be a tutorial using a pom-pom maker. So I have these in several sizes. I'm going to show you how I go about doing it. Let's turn the camera around and get started. So we are going to be doing a tutorial to make a pom-pom. This is the size I used. Let me show you the supplies. The set that I'm using come in 4 different sizes, like this. I don't remember where I got my original set here because I've had it for quite a few years. But I did look on Amazon and they have a set identical to this for $5.98. I will put a link down below. They did have one for $4 that I saw, but that was in addition to shipping, so I'm not sure if that's the difference in the price or whatever, but I will put the one down that I saw that had the best ratings for the most reasonable price. So each of these come apart like this. They have these wings, at least that's what I'm calling them, as wings that kind of pop out. Then there's a center section, and then they completely come apart when you finish your pom-pom. So the supplies you're going to need is whatever size pom-pom you are using. This size pom-pom, which is about 2 inches across, I used this size. This is the largest, which I believe makes a 3 or 4 inch. If you compare these, I'm thinking it makes between a 3 and a 4 inch pom-pom. And then these, of course, are smaller. So for our tutorial, I'm going to be using this size, which is the 2 inch. You're going to need some yarn. I'm using a worsted weight, and you're going to need a pair of scissors. So the first thing you're going to do is open the wings. There's 2 on each side. There's these 2, and then this one, these 2 on this side. You're going to open those. You're going to take your yarn and you're going to fill this section in here, wrapping it around. So I'll demonstrate here what you're going to do. You're going to just start your yarn here and start wrapping it. Now you don't want it to come up over this section here. You're basically going to be binding these 2 wings together as you wrap. So again, we want to make sure, see how I've gone over here, we don't want that to happen. You want it to be down under the little foot pieces here. And you're going to wrap all the way around. And you might go back and forth a couple of times. You just want to do it evenly. And here I'm at this end, and I want to make sure I get it all the way to this. I want to make sure I get it all the way to this corner here without going up onto this foot section. So there you can see I've got it all the way up to the edge without going to the foot section. There. Get that a little better in focus. And I'm going to wrap it back across. There we go. So we have filled up that side. Okay, so I'm going to get ready to close this side. Don't detach your yarn. Just close this side and then kind of hold your finger there. Put it right down between these 2. There you go. And then turn it around and you are ready to start doing the same thing again on this side. Again, I want to make sure I start by getting right up into this edge without getting it up on the foot like I just did. There you go. Again, I want to get it up right into this edge right here without getting it onto the foot itself. And there we go. So now I'm just going to snip the yarn here. I'm going to close this now. Now I'm going to use scissors. You need some sharp scissors. These are a little bit big to do this, but it does work. And the groove between these two wings that we held together when we bound it together, you can feel it if you run your finger through here. You're going to cut right in that section all the way around. So you can see here's that edge I was talking about. These are the two separate wings. You're going to go all the way around. Like that. Now you just want to double check in this groove to make sure you did get all of the yarn snipped. Like that. Now you're going to cut a length of yarn that is going to be long enough to leave you like tails to be able to attach the pom-pom to something. For instance, you can see this one, I have this long tail here so that I can attach it to a hat or whatever I'm attaching it to. So you want to make sure you have plenty to do that with. You're now going to take that yarn and you're going to put it right down through the groove. Go right through all the way around like that. And you're going to tie it. I don't tie the first round in a double knot. I just go through once like this and I pull it good and tight. As tight as I can without breaking the yarn, and then I turn it over and go back to the other side over here, and that's where I will tie it again and do a double knot. I just find it keeps the little pieces from falling out. So I'm going to tie it once and tie a double knot like that. And then you are going to open the edges, open the wings back up like this on both sides. And then you're going to separate the pom-pom maker like that. Here's my two ends that I've left to tie. There's my pom-pom. There might be little edges you might have to touch up a little bit, but not that much. I find it's much easier than when I do it by hand and have to trim and shape the whole thing. But you end up with a very professional looking pom-pom by the time you finish. So I hope you have found this tutorial helpful to make pom-poms. Again, I will put a link to the pom-pom makers down below in the description box. And thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you again tomorrow for our regular Saturday podcast. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.